Hi and welcome back to Sport on Works. In this video I'm gonna show you how to remote start 2018 Buick Encore. This is also gonna apply to Buick Envision and Buick Enclave with a KeyFob like that. So first you wanna lock it by pressing this big middle button. And then you wanna press and hold this top right button, or wherever you see this kind of a symbol on your key fob, for 3 seconds. And then let go. And now your Buick is started. To turn it off, you will have to press this button once. And now it's off. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.